Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to another payday wig day, baby. Before we get started with today's payday wig day, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. I don't know what's going on where I'm getting Zury Sis units sent to me, or I'm either ordering them, but I have another Zury Sis unit for you today. Her name is, I'm going to spell it, M-I-L-I-O, Milio, I'm not too sure. But anywho, that's what I'm going to be reviewing today. Now, it says that she is sassy, y'all, so I cannot wait. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She is a half moon part, 6-inch plus semicircle, deepest hand tied. She does come in other colors. I have her in the color 1B. On the back, it gives you care instructions on how to use the unit. This is what the unit looks like on the stock card. Now, off the back, just looking at the unit from the stock card, I think I'm going to love this unit, so I'm super duper excited about it. This is what the unit looks like straight on out the pack, y'all. This is my first unit putting on since I've cut all my hair off, since I've done the big chop. So I'm excited to see how the units will fit now that I really don't have any hair. I don't have any ponytail in the back or anything like that. So let's see. Now, I'm already loving this unit because she doesn't come with any lace. She has a comb, one comb in the front on the side where the part is. She has a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. This is what the parting space looks like. Now, since I don't have any lace to cut, girls, we can just go ahead and jump right into it, okay? I like it, y'all. Oh, yes, Zury Sis, you didn't redeem yourself from whatever it was I put on last week. I'm liking it. So I already want to talk about her, but let me go ahead and, you know, do what I do, and let's see what we're working with, okay? I got a smile on my face. I like it. Okay, Zury Sis, I am going to give Miss Milio, I am going to give her, I'm going to give her 4.5 Ks. Yeah. I'm so excited because, you know, I think the last 2 units I review was like, wah, wah, wah. But this one, honey, yes, I love the cut of it. First of all, this is a left side part. So if you've been following me, you know that I love left side part units. It didn't come with any lace to cut, so that's always a winner in my book. The cut of this unit is so nice, y'all. Like, you know, this asymmetrical bob thing going on. I love the choppiness in it. You know what I mean? I love the curl pattern. You know, it's wavy. And then it still has the swoop right here. Now, it has a lot of filling up in here, if you can see. I don't like all this filling. I wish it was like a tad bit, you know, more flatter. But, I mean, it's okay. It's, you know, it's not that bad at all. This curl pattern, the cut of it, the feel of it is big head friendly. It doesn't have any tangling. You don't have to do a lot of combing. The parting space is the bomb. It did have a little flyaways in the unit, you know, that I had to pull and yank out, but not a big deal at all. I love this unit. This is an all-season unit. You can wear her in the summer, winter, spring, and fall, honey. She is cute. This is a cute first date look too, you know, I guess for the single ladies like me, you know what I mean? This is a cute first date look. Okay, listen, I love it. Okay, I love it. This is cute vacation hair too. You could take this unit on vacation. Like, I would definitely get her in other colors. I actually like the color that's right here on the stock card, and I actually thought I got this color on the stock card, but I'm not mad, you know, with the 1B. I'm not mad at all. This is a winner, ding ding ding, winner winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so Miss Milo, she is going to get 4.5 Ks from me. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of this unit. So if you like bobs like me, because I love bobs, okay? Like, I love bobs. This is a cute bob for you. And it is a left side part. You know, our left side part girls, we don't get a lot of units. You know what I mean? Not a lot of cute units. You know, we get some units where you can, you know, shift to the left. See how that angle is right here, y'all? Like, it's just, it's so cute. It's perfect. This is the perfect curly bob. Yes, the perfect curly bob. Look, you can put her behind your ear a little bit. Look at this. Well, I don't know if I should do that. Let's see. Look, you can put her behind your ear. She is cute, especially if you got some really cute earrings on. Y'all know I always wear my hoops unless somebody wants to send me some earrings. Okay, I love this unit. It's a very beginner friendly unit. You know what I'm saying? Just plop her on your head, put some powder in the parting space, and go on about your day. This is perfect. So if you have never worn a wig before, or you want to get into wearing wigs, if you're into bobs, you like your part on the left side, honey, get this unit. I highly recommend her. If it wasn't for the few strand waves and this cushion sitting on top of this bang right here, she definitely would get 5Ks from me. Like, I'm not even joking. Well, that is all that I have on today's unit, guys. You already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and then just sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.